Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you to find the total number of columns, rows and cells in Excel. So first I'm going to show you to find the total number of columns. So for that we need to use the formula that is equal to columns, and here we need to type numerical 1 semicolon 1 close the bracket and hit enter button. So here you can see the total number of columns. So second, I'm going to show you to find the rows, the total number of rows. So again, here we need to type that is equal to rows. And now I'm going to select that is column. So friends, here you can see number of column names out here. That is A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Okay. You can select any column name. But in this cases that I'm going to select that is I. Alright. And after that, I'll hit enter button. Now here you can see the total number of rows. And finally, to find the total number of cells, so for that here we need to follow again the formula that's equal to the value of columns. We need to select this and multiply by the asterisk and select this the value of rows and hit enter button. So here you can see that this is the total number of cells. So friends, in this way you can find the total number of columns, rows and cells. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.